There are many different types of rims on many different types of vehicles. Some rims are very simple to clean and some are harder. The goal when cleaning a rim is that all visible areas are clean and shiny and that the tire is clean and glossy. Step 1. Spray the entire rim with the waterless wash and wax. Step 2. Wipe the rim with a microfiber towel. If the rim has many tight spots, you can also use your pointed brush to clean. Step 3. Be sure to cover all areas that are upside down and not visible. Re-wipe the entire rim to buff wax. Step 4. Apply the tire dressing on the outer wall of the tire. A. Spray the tire dressing evenly on the tire. B. Wipe the tire completely with an applicator to assure an even spread. You can also use a paintbrush to apply the dressing.